Alright. So we're stalkers right now. We're stalking the prom people. They have just arrived to the waterfall by the Galleria. You can see them slowly coming out of the limo. Oh, and there's Shakisha's date. He's going to meet her.
Now where's Josephine?
There they are, walking down the sidewalk. Isn't this just fun? Here she is, coming down the sidewalk, ready to take more pictures. And of course, we met them there. Hello. Hello.
Jared.
Hi, Jared. Hello, friends.
And Jonathan.
Hello.
Brenton.
Hello. There they are.
Jonathan.
I brought flat.
Jonathan. I don't see Josephine there, so we y'all so pretty.
How do you do this?
Brenton. Brenton.
How you do
Brenton.
this?
Let her see you do.
Hey.
Y'all make sure y'all take a picture so it's done that. Yeah, I have no idea how to put this in.
So all the guys want to make sure that they have on what they need to have on.
I like the yellow coat.
That is nice.
Please pay close attention to this video because they go to the High School of Performing Visual Arts. So most likely, these are our future actors, our future singers.
Our artists.
Our artists.
Music theater.
Yes.
Where is Josephine?
Clarinet. It's Jordan, the over-dramatic one.
Oh, he's over dramatic in the yellow. I'm loving
the
it.
Drama queen.
And Shakisha is the drama queen. She's a triple threat. She can sing, she can dance, and she can act.
I cannot dance.
Oh, let's see you. Let's see if you can hit a dance. That's a shout out. She's so glad that today is our prom day.